have done something really exciting for you guys. Well, I've been working on it for a little while, but I am working on an awesome giveaway that we are hoping to launch on Friday, to be announced on Sunday, which is Mother's Day. So it's going to be a Mother's Day giveaway. Do you remember the store I went into earlier this week called Sage Sleep that's here in Franklin that I fell in love with, smack dab in love with? So Sage Sleep, along with one of the brands that they carry called Sleep and Beyond. They're out of California, and Sleep and Beyond is an organic, well, Sage Sleep is an organic store. Everything's sleep related, right? And it's all organic. And so Sleep and Beyond is one of their organic lines that they produce pillows and mattress pads and sheets and blankets and pillowcases and really everything sleep related. And in fact, Sleep and Beyond is, they have been a swag bag sponsor for the Emmys, for the BET Awards, for all these award shows. So they are in front of the celebrities. Celebrities have gotten their stuff. It's all organic. You know, it's kind of the thing. So me and Sage Sleep and Sleep and Beyond are collabing to make a big gift basket for one of you moms out there. And we are going to be giving it away this coming week. So I'm waiting on my friend and the owner of Sleep and Beyond to ship me all the products, which he just did today. So I should have them midweek. And then we're going to put this gift basket together and give it away to you guys. And I'm so excited to do this. These companies are two freaking awesome, lovely companies with great products and great people behind them. I don't partner with just anyone. I am very particular about the products that I give to you guys and tell you about, and about the people behind the products. I'm very particular, and I adore these people that I'm collaborating with. So that's coming up soon, and I'm excited.